Here's a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. The ideal truck for a visionary. The body takes the brunt of rugged terrain while giving you essential comfort with premium touches. The Ecotec 3 engine works in combination with active fuel management and direct injection to provide optimum fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. For your safety, it has hill start assist, StabiliTrak with traction control, and electronic trailer sway control. This truck offers a premium driving experience with GMC signature LED lighting and color touch radio. Use the corner step rear bumper to easily load up the bed, then secure your cargo with 8 total tie-down hooks and 4 movable upper tie-downs. Elevate your expectations of comfort, durability, and capability with this tough truck. Put it to work today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.